so I love Mount Pigeon. Okay, so there's like a flowers here. Okay, so I think that's the Mount Pinatubo. Right. Need to go up there some more. Okay, one more step. Okay, so this Vigino, I don't know, maybe there's like a name, last name, Vigino, or the place name. Okay. Wow. Actually talaga, dito pala talaga maubos yung powers mo. Pero okay na rin, no? Exercise at nakisama talaga yung panon, totally. Okay, what is this? Mount Pigeon. Okay. Grabe ang taas ng nilakbay natin para dito. Tayo. Isa pa. Yan pa oh. So, kada makita natin dito talaga naman ibang klase ng view. Hinga lang, doble ingat po tayo, no? Syempre, napakatarik naman ito kasi. Hopefully mapaglagay-lagay pa ng mga puno. Okay. Ito pa, siguro baka ito yung pinakatuktok. Yun, I guess. See, look at that. Woo. Yeah, I think ito yung pinaka taas talaga niya eh. It's almost 330 steps. Look at that one.
Hey! Tara na!
Okay. Alright, I think ito pa yung nakatuktok na, no? Ito, no? Kaya it's time naman na para mag picture taking na tayo. So I will stop this video na and then naglobo talaga ito yung ating madala. Okay. Alright, so thank you for watching po. I'll see you on my next adventure. Ciao.